Stop snoring today with these helpful tips. Millions of people all over the globe snore. Although it is just a nuisance for many people, it can also signal other health issues. This video has plenty of advice to help treat your snoring problem. If you have problems with snoring during the colder winter months, consider purchasing a humidifier. If you allow the humidifier to remain on in your bedroom while you sleep, you may notice less snoring. The moisture in the air reduces congestion in your chest and reduces the breathing difficulty that can lead to snoring. If you regularly use cigarettes and other tobacco products, you probably also snore. The ingredients in these products dries out the mucosal membranes in your nose, mouth and airway, which leads to difficulty breathing and loud snoring. If at all possible, do not smoke cigarettes within 5 hours of your bedtime, as the smoke will cause your airway to become inflamed. Avoid alcoholic beverages and sleep-inducing pills like tranquilizers or antihistamines close to bedtime. When muscles are relaxed by these artificial properties, they tend to restrict your air passages. This restriction will increase snoring and keep you up. If you're going to drink alcohol, do it earlier in the evening. To reduce snoring, avoid drinking milk or eating dairy products before going to sleep. Warm milk was once thought to be a helpful remedy to drink before sleeping. However, if you snore, dairy increases mucus production. Overproduction of mucus often makes snoring much worse. By avoiding dairy before you go to sleep, you help keep your airway clear. Many throat exercises are out there that will help you strengthen your throat and stop snoring. One of these is to hold your mouth open, and then slide your jaw to the right. Hold it in place for 30 seconds. Then repeat by pushing your jaw to the left side and holding for 30 seconds. Stronger muscles mean less snoring. Start an exercise program. Snoring can be caused by not being in good shape. As you exercise and the muscles in your arms and legs become stronger and more toned, so will your throat muscles. Well-developed and toned throat muscles decrease the chance of your snoring because your throat remains open. As you have just read, snoring is mainly just an irritation, but in some cases, it can denote a more serious problem. Anyone who snores should have their problem investigated. If you use the advice you have read in this video, you should be able to find some relief, and get a good night's sleep. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.